All right, some big news that's coming in right now from the Supreme Court, which has granted bail to alleged middleman and British national Christian Michel James in the Augusta Westland helicopter scam case being probed by the CBI. This is the biggest news that we're tracking right now. Big relief to the middleman and, of course, British national in the Augusta Westland helicopter scam case that is being probed by the CBI. In fact, the court also noted that he had been in custody for over 6 years. He was arrested in 2018 December after being extradited from Dubai. Harish joins me on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Harish, a big detail coming in right now in connection to the Augusta Westland helicopter scam case. Give us more context about this.
Yes, that's right, Ashish. A big development as far as the rupees 3,200 crore Augusta Westland case is concerned. The Supreme Court has just now granted bail to the key accused British national Christian Michel in the CBI case. Remember, both the CBI and ED has been probing since this case since almost 7 years, ever since Christian Michel was extradited. And now the Supreme Court has granted bail to Christian Michel in the CBI case, but he will not be walking free because he is still in jail in connection with the ED case, the probe being carried out by Enforcement Directorate, because he has not secured bail in the ED case. So he will not be walking free, though big development because he has got bail in the CBI case. Remember, CBI had objected to the bail, saying that investigations are still on, though 3 charge sheets have been filed, that is 1 main charge sheet and 2 supplementary charge sheets. But the Supreme Court observed, and even the investigation is going on, but the Supreme Court noted that he has already spent more than 6 years in jail, while the maximum punishment for the offence he has been booked under is 7 years. So Supreme Court saw it as a very shocking case of deprivation of personal liberty and said that investigation can go on even if he is out on bail. Also, his lawyer, Aljoke Joseph, cited a rule in Criminal Procedure Code as per which if an accused, even if he is a foreign national, if he has spent at least half of the maximum sentence, he is entitled to bail. In this case, he has already spent more than 6 years. So citing the fact that he has already spent more than 6 years in a crime in which maximum punishment is 7 years, the Supreme Court has granted him bail. But as I said earlier, the Supreme Court, though heard the argument of CBI that he is a kingpin and he is, if he is allowed bail, he is a flight risk and he can abscond. He can go back to his country and he will not come back. But Supreme Court was not convinced. It only went into the fact that he's already spent 6 years in jail. Therefore, it's a big development. But as I said earlier, he will not be walking free because he is in custody in connection with the Enforcement Directorate case. In that case, he has not secured bail. So he will not be walking free, though he has got bail in the CBI case today.
Absolutely, Harish. Whether the same argument will be applied to the ED case as well, that remains to be seen, because if it does, then he'll get a bail in that as well. But really appreciate you joining us on the broadcast here, getting us details about this big development that comes in connection to the Augusta Westland helicopter scam case.